Aircraft Cargo Handling Supervisors. Career, salary, and education information. What aircraft cargo handling supervisors do. Supervise and coordinate the activities of ground crew in the loading, unloading, securing, and staging of aircraft cargo or baggage. May determine the quantity and orientation of cargo and compute aircraft center of gravity. May accompany aircraft as member of flight crew and monitor and handle cargo in flight and assist and brief passengers on safety and emergency procedures. Includes loadmasters. How to become an aircraft cargo handling supervisor. Education and training. We did a survey to ask other aircraft cargo handling supervisors what degree they had when they became an aircraft cargo handling supervisor. Here are the results. High school diploma 64.06%, bachelor's degree 18.46%, less than a high school diploma 10.19%. One of the most common questions that we always get is what major or degree do I need to become aircraft cargo handling supervisors, or what courses do I need to take? The majority of aircraft cargo handling supervisors typically enter the occupation with a high school diploma. There isn't any specific educational requirement for this career. Aircraft cargo handling supervisor salaries. Entry-level aircraft cargo handling supervisors with little to no experience can expect to make anywhere between $35,920 to $42,430 per year, or $17 to $20 per hour. Similar to any other job, their salary will increase as they gain experience. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel to receive the most recent career and education videos. Share this video with your friends and family if you like it. Remember to click the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box.